Students, we are going to discuss here topographical map, topo sheet number 45D upon 7. In this map A, we have question of 6-figure grid reference to find out the triangulated height 2 to 5 6-figure grid reference. So this is the topo sheet, and in this topo sheet we have in the top and bottom written the number is easting, here is bottom, and from left to right the number is written is northing. Okay, so where it is nearer you can measure it from top, from bottom. Okay, so this is the question, triangulated height 2 to 5, find out 6-figure grid reference. So finding of 6-figure grid reference, we have to find first and foremost what? 4-figure grid reference. And just look at this. This is 2 to 5 grid reference. 2 to 5 triangulated height. Okay, this is. So just first and foremost easting of this. So you go. This is falls under 87 and 88. So lesser value you can you have to find 87. That means you have to write it 87 and just one blank for 6-figure grid reference. This is easting. Okay, this is easting. Now what is the northing for 6-figure grid reference? This is northing between 94 95. So again lesser value you can take, so you have to take, so this is 94. That means 4-figure here is 87 94. Now find out 6-figure grid reference. So just put this scale 0 for easting, horizontally put the scale to find out the triangulated height from 2 to 5 here and count it. This is exactly, it will exactly, and you should point it out 0 from 0, this is 0, and count it like that, and you know that this is 20 mm from 0 to 2, so count it, and after that we have to divide 2. So from here to here 10 we have, and the triangulated height, just count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12. Easting is 12. So 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. That means 876 you can write as a easting for 6-figure grid reference. What about northing? So just put this scale exactly 0 to northing and count it. So just after counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 18, this is between 18 and 19. 18 and 19. So here you can either you 18 by 2 or 19 by 2. So 9.5 don't take the 0.5 is not necessary to take. So you can just almost equal. This is 9. So 9 for 9 is what? Grid reference. Okay. So with this you can find it 6-figure grid reference. So another question is, find out the area of map adjacent south of northing 96. Where is northing 96? Where is? Here's 96, and from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square, and just one count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 boxes. So 10 into 6 square is what? 60 kilometer we have. Okay. Another question is, what is the distance of Jigol from Gangudra and Hariwada? So from here, this is Gangudra and this is what? This is Jegol. So Jegol is here. Just look at this Jegol. From here to here you measure. You position yourself from here and just look at this. This is southwest of Gangudra. So this direction is southwest. And another question, Jegol from Hariwada. So this is Hariwada. This is Hariwada, and this is Jegol. This. So from here to here, the distance direction is what? West southwest. If you understand direction easily, we can easily understood this. Another question is, calculate the shortest distance from Rajkot to Jat in kilometers. So in this topo sheet, the distance will be in centimeter. We have to measure in kilometer. So just search it out. Where is Rajkot and where is Jat? So here is Rajkot and Jat is here. So measure, just put your scale 1 point on Jat from 0, either here Jat or other Rajkot, and just look at this. This is exactly 9.2 centimeter. So with this 9.2 centimeter, you have to divide 2 to change it into kilometer. That is, the resultant is what? 4.6 kilometer. Okay. So another question is, name the depositional features found in Sipu rivers in the following grids. And grid is 83, 94. And second is 85 and 97. So just find out where it is. So this is what? 83 here. 83 we have. 83. and 94. 94 is here. That means this is the point, and here you show river like what? Rocks and boulder deposits, like in the Sipu river. Okay, and again we have 8, 5 and 9, 7. So where is 8, 5? 8, 5 is this, and 9, 7 is this. 9, 7. Just look at this. So this river shows white patches. So this is the part of river islands. Okay. Now, so another question is how is the broken ground shown on the map adject, and how does it indicate that rainfall is season in the region? Is this I think it is a theoretical question. So the answer is broken ground is shown with black curves line. Okay, and the broken ground means soil erosion on the sheet of bank of river. Due to rainfall, the topsoil is eroded. Okay, during monsoon season. Next question is, name the 2 types of natural vegetation found on the map, for each mention the 4-figure grid reference where it is located. So we have to find location and the natural vegetation on this map. So from here we search it. Here it is written open mixed jungle. So this is 98 and 91 and 98. 91, 98 open mixed jungle, and just below here is written what? Open scrub. So open scrub, here is written in the box 92. Sorry, 92 not first. 91, 92. This is 91, 92. Okay. So another question is from drainage pattern. What is the difference in the drainage pattern in 9195 and 9295? Just look at this. This is 91 and 95. 9195 here. This is a stream flow in different directions. So it is radial pattern. And 9295 we have a stream just meet this main course of a stream at right angle, not exactly but right angle. So this is tailless pattern. Okay. Another question is, what do the following indicate? Just indicator, what is the indicator? So we have to answer it. So indicators 5 are in 8491. Just find it out. 8491. So 91 is here. 8491. So 5R. This is 5R exactly, and this yellow patches from here shows that sand dunes here, and the sand dunes of the top height is 5R. That means it is of 5 meter base to top. Okay. And another question is triangulated height 277 in 8998. Just look at this. 89 is here. Triangulated height. 89 is here. 89 and 98. From here we have 98. So just this is triangulated height 277. So triangulated, in this triangulated height we have what? Height of land above the sea level. This shows above the sea level. This is the land height of 277 in meter. Okay. So with these sample questions, you easily understand how we can go through survey sheet. Okay. So I hope it is clear, and this is for you guys. Just try to solve survey sheet given in your book. Okay. Thank you so much.